Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can quickly catch up in Anime Last Stand on Roblox. So you'll need these early abilities, I guess. So the first one you'll need is the idol. You can get it from the guidebook here. You'll need to complete the quests here. As you can see, it's locked, but you'll get the idol from here, I think. Then you are going to, is it in raids? I don't remember. I think it's in raids. You'll need Bulmi. You'll get it from, is it? Where is it? Well, you'll get it from banner 3 or selection. And oh, it's in shop. Sorry, my bad. And then you'll also need Jouro. Is it in shop? Well, you'll need Jouro, and you'll get him from banner 3 or selection banner. To evolve, you're going to teleport to story and infinity. And you are going to, oh, it's still locked. You're going to then go to Ruined Morayo, and you'll need the time essence to craft more items. And that is pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.